Yo guys, what's up and welcome to the trade recap from Friday, from yesterday, the 30th of May. I took a loss yesterday, but yeah, it's not too bad because I know that my bias was correct. So yeah, let's get just right into it. As you can see, we had all of this consolidation before market open. And yeah, we had all these low resistance highs right here. Like this 15-minute high, I think this was even an hourly high, and also this high. And yeah, you can just see it was like, yeah, many highs right here. So my bias was definitely bullish for the day because I wanted to see all of these highs get taken out. And as you can see later, it also happened during the day. But yeah, as a confluence, need to see manipulation to the downside. And yeah, I marked out also these 15-minute lows right here. Let's just put it here in the right place. And I was just like, okay, let's wait for market's first moves after it will open, and let's see what happens. I mean, overall on the higher time frames, we had already a good correction to the downside, in my opinion. Like if you see on the 1 hour, like market really corrected already, and then like consolidated. Um, Normally I don't like to trade when pre-market we have like this consolidation. Um, yeah, but this time I was pretty sure because we had not so much liquidity down here, and yeah, I was just pretty sure that we will have a correction to the upside because there's just so many people that probably went short on this move, and now we have just resting liquidities up here. So yeah, I was definitely long. Also from my market experience, I was very bullish. So yeah, market opened. As you can see, we push immediately down, and we sweep out the first 15-minute low. Let's just scale directly into the 1 minute. As I said, I was very confident, and I was just watching price how it is reacting off of that little 15-minute low sweep right here. We get a response immediately, and we break structure to the upside with this huge candle. And yeah, for me this was enough, and I entered directly off of this break of structure. I got filled, although a bit down, because the next candle after the break was immediately to the downside. I can mark the break of structure for you. This was the break of structure from this high right here. And yeah, I entered off of the break, so normally my entry would be here, but as I said, I got filled down here, which is good. Stops underneath the sweep, and then just target all of these high time frame highs. Yeah, way up here. So this would have been my trade. I mean, this was my trade. And as you can see, yeah, unfortunately, I got stopped out. Market decided to take out even these liquidities right here. Although, if you look at the 50-minute chart, we just pushed a bit lower, and yeah, we didn't want to sweep out this low, and then market moved in my direction where I wanted it to be. Yeah, we would hit a decent 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. If I were like for some reason waiting for the next break and maybe get some confluences, let's see if I had a better entry maybe there. So let's say I would not just enter immediately after the 1 minute break. I would just wait for further confluences. We would have this inverse fair value gap here. We would inverse it with this blue candle, and then also we would not only have the inverse fair value gap but also the bullish fair value gap that got tapped in, and we got a bullish reaction out and broke structure to the upside. So ideally this probably would be a very nice entry if I would have just waited for more confluences and then target these highs right here. Yeah, would be also 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So there was definitely a nice move to catch yesterday unfortunately, I wasn't able to. I took that loss. Can put in the trade for you again that I took. And yeah, but we can see later on, market came further down to take out the other 50-minute low, and yeah, then we moved higher and we took out all these high time frame, low resistance liquidities that I wanted also to see get taken out. So pretty unfortunate, although my bias was correct, wasn't able to find the right entry. I lost. It's totally fine. I'm still up on the week. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys could learn something from this day. Maybe next time when the break on the 1 minute is so drastic, I will just wait for further confluences, like fair value gap tap-ins, equilibrium, or something like this, because you can argue that maybe this break was, yeah, pretty heavy. So maybe I should be cautious and wait for further confluence, because if I like waited, I would not get a further confluence, and then this entry would be invalid. So yeah, with that being said, love and appreciate you all. See you in the next trade recap. Bye.